In this video, I'll be giving you my Bybit affiliate program review. If you find this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. Bybit is one of the fastest growing cryptocurrency trading platforms, and its affiliate program gives content creators, marketers, and crypto enthusiasts the opportunity to earn commissions by referring new traders. Today, I'll break down how it works, the features, and tips for maximizing your earnings. The Bybit affiliate program allows affiliates to earn money by referring new users to the platform. Once approved, you gain access to unique referral links, banners, and other promotional materials that you can use on your website, blog, social media, or YouTube channel. Every time someone signs up and starts trading through your link, you earn a commission. One of the biggest advantages of the Bybit affiliate program is its flexible commission structure. Affiliates can choose between revenue share models or CPA, cost per acquisition plans. With the revenue share option, you earn a percentage of the trading fees generated by your referrals, providing the potential for a long-term passive income stream. CPA plans, on the other hand, pay a fixed commission per referred user who meets specific criteria. This flexibility allows you to select a model that best suits your audience and marketing strategy. Bybit also offers a user-friendly affiliate dashboard, making it easy to track clicks, conversions, trading volume, and commissions in real time. The dashboard provides detailed insights into which campaigns are performing best, helping you optimize your content and promotion strategy for maximum earnings. Another key feature is Bybit's reputation and trust in the crypto trading space. As a regulated platform with high liquidity and a wide range of trading products, including spot, derivatives, and perpetual contracts, Bybit provides credibility that makes it easier to attract referrals. They also provide marketing resources and educational content to help affiliates guide new users through the platform. Now for the pros. Bybit offers high earning potential, multiple commission models, detailed tracking, and strong industry credibility. It's suitable for both beginners and experienced affiliates in the crypto niche. The cons. Affiliate success depends heavily on your audience's interest in cryptocurrency trading. Marketing financial products requires compliance with local regulations, and earnings may take time to grow unless you have a targeted and engaged audience. Overall, the Bybit affiliate program is a legitimate and potentially profitable option for anyone in the crypto space. With consistent effort, quality content, and strategic promotion, affiliates can generate a reliable income by helping others discover a trusted trading platform.